how to log in WhatsApp in another phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log in WhatsApp on another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have two phones or maybe your web browser or anything as such, you want to log into WhatsApp using those, it's very simple. Open up WhatsApp on your primary phone, tap the three dots option and just go to linked devices. When you go to linked devices, you'll also be able to actually link other phone over here. So you have to make sure to actually get the QR code on your other phone. Next time whenever you log into WhatsApp over there, you'll find a QR code option to log in by QR code, right? So now you want to tap on link on device, unlock it with the fingerprint over here, verify it, just place the QR code over here, or you can also link with phone number instead, and then you'll be able to go ahead and basically request the code or maybe scan it in order to go ahead and then link those devices. This way you can log into WhatsApp in another phone as well. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.